3, 2, 1.
Who set the record for the most tattoos in 365 days? The answer is B. Thomas Leppan. In a liquid, the particles are still in close contact, so liquids have a definite what? The answer is B. Volume. Which celestial body does the moon orbit? The answer is A. Sun. In what century was the microscope invented? The answer is C. 17th. Which book is about a boy wizard attending Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry? The answer is D. Harry Potter series. Which atmospheric gas has the greatest effect on the weather conditions associated with an air mass? The answer is D. Water vapor. What is the main function of the thyroid gland? The answer is D. Hormone secretion. A king cake is a type of cake associated with the carnival season, traditionally holding a trinket inside. Which of the following is not a traditional trinket found inside a king cake? The answer is A. A doubloon. During a walk through the Arkansas River Valley, Alex found a rock that she determined was a sedimentary rock. Which characteristics of the rock would lead Alex to this conclusion? The answer is D. Sand-sized particles and a light brown color. What ocean covers the largest area on Earth? The answer is B. Indian. What is the title of J.K. Rowling's debut novel about a young wizard? The answer is A. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. What writes on paper but doesn't need ink? The answer is C. Bookmark. What property is associated with the number of reactant molecules involved in an elementary step? The answer is C. Molecularity. What is a goalkeeper's main equipment in soccer? The answer is B. Gloves. What are the primary colors of the Philippine national flag? The answer is C. Red, blue, white. What equipment is used in volleyball? The answer is C. Net. Critics of Gerald Ford point out that he lost his bid for the presidency in 1976 for what reason? The answer is C. The Nixon pardon. Which species can change its sex during its lifetime? The answer is D. Eagle. Who invented the sewing machine in 1846? The answer is A. Isaac Merritt Singer. What is the study of how individuals influence and interact with one another called? The answer is A. Social psychology. At what time of the year can tornadoes occur? The answer is D. Any. What is the word for a male whale? The answer is B. A bull. What is a large round table used for dining? The answer is D. Dining table. What is the central, open square of Athens called? The answer is C. Roman 3. Parthenon. What is the tallest dune in Sahara Desert? The answer is A. Erg Chebi. Which vehicle can travel on water and land? The answer is B. Amphibious bus. Similar types of cells form tissues. What is the next level of complexity formed from the grouping of tissues? The answer is A. Organs. What chases but never catches? In movies, it's always loud. The answer is A. Echo. Who played Detective Donahue on TV show, Soap? The answer is A. John Byner. Who invented the electric battery? The answer is B. Nikola Tesla. According to U.S. intelligence, the Red October, a Soviet ballistic missile submarine, featured in the movie The Hunt for Red October, is a member of what submarine classification? The answer is A. Typhoon class. What is the animated series that centers around a group of superheroes living in New York City? The answer is A. Avatar: The Last Airbender. What was the name of the family featured in the South Park episode How to Eat with Your Butt? The answer is C. The Thompsons. What types of cells are found only in organisms that reproduce sexually? The answer is D. Gametes. What kind of path does the energy of an electromagnetic wave take? The answer is B. Straight line. Dactyloscopy, a technique perfected by anthropologist Tuan Vucetich, studies what? The answer is B. Fingerprints. Which utensil is used for stirring while cooking? The answer is A. Whisks. What is the state of water at 100 degrees Celsius under standard atmospheric pressure? The answer is B. Gas. What effect occurs when a population suddenly gets much smaller due to natural disaster or other cause? The answer is D. Bottleneck effect. What is the result of multiplying 7 and 0? The answer is B. 0. Nuku'alofa is the capital city of which country? The answer is B. Tonga. What is the name of the spaceship in Firefly? The answer is D. Starship Enterprise. What is the title of the 1999 movie in which John Travolta portrayed Chief Warrant Officer for Paul Brenner? The answer is C. The General's Daughter. What compound is formed when a soft puddle-like metal sodium Na reacts with the green-colored poisonous gas chlorine Cl2? The answer is B. Table salt. What is the name for a policy that targets stable inflation by controlling the money supply? The answer is D. Stable price policy. What is the name of Aretha Franklin's debut album, recorded when she was 14? The answer is B. Songs of Faith. What has skin as soft as silk, but isn't a living thing? The answer is C. Coconut. Which tool is used to measure weight? The answer is B. Gauge. Which potato variety is known as King Edward? The answer is C. White flesh. What is the capital and the largest city of the U.S. state of Arizona?